Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning as one. Today is the Philippine recipe. I can't pronounce the name, sorry, but I'll put it in the title and in the description. So for today, we're gonna start with avocado oil, carrots, onion, potato, tomato sauce, chicken. I have garlic flakes to add some flavor to it, hot dogs, and green beans. So we're gonna start off with peeling this potato and the onion, and we're gonna put this in the pan with avocado oil. We're gonna get that started, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. But hello Philippines, I love you and thanks for the support. I'm from Canada and the USA. I love Canada and the USA. But the Philippines is really important to me. They're really kind to me and kind people. So I'm making this in dedication to you. Alright, so I diced those carrots. Right now I'm going to take the avocado oil and I'm going to drizzle that in the pan. So just make sure you got that in there. And I'm going to add the carrots. So the next step is I'm going to put this pan on low. And I'm going to get this started. Next I'm going to do the onion. Alright, so we have those carrots on low. Now we have this diced onion. So we're going to throw some of that in there. And then we'll get started with the next step. I'll put in the potato, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I have that on medium, and I'm cooking that onion and carrot. You don't want to overcook the onion because we have to add more steps to it. So I have this potato that I already cooked. You can tell it's cooked, and I'm going to dice it up, and I'm going to throw it in there. Alright, so we got that potato diced. Now we're going to take these garlic flakes and we're going to add a little bit in there. Because you want that garlic taste in there. You could leave this out if you want. So the next step is we're going to start throwing in these potatoes. So just throw the potatoes in there, and you're going to want to mix this together. So just keep this on medium. I wish you could smell this. And there's like the avocado oil in there. Alright, so the next thing is we'll add the hot dog next. And then the chicken. Then the beans and tomato sauce, and we're done. Alright, so we got that hot dog cut up. I'm only making this for like a one portion thing. So basically this is like one portion or maybe close to two. Like I live alone, so I don't want to make up too much of this. When I made that Philippine spaghetti, the sweet Philippine spaghetti, I made too much, so I had to freeze some of it. So that's that. Turn your heat up a little bit and just start cooking that. After that we'll add the chicken, and we're almost there. Alright, so we got the hot dogs in there, the carrots and the onion. Now I'm going to take some grilled chicken. Like you could use pork if you want, but I don't eat like a lot of pork, so I'm making this dish with chicken. So you're going to want to put that chicken in there, and then we're going to mix it. If you want to add other spices, you can, but that's all up to you. So the next step is going to be tomato sauce and the green beans. Alright, so we got that on low now. I took some green beans and I cut them up. Now we got the green beans in there. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this flake garlic. I love garlic. And the final step is going to be add in a tomato sauce. And then after that, we're going to just cook it for a little bit. And we're going to plate it. But you can see all the colors in there. And it looks really good. Can't wait to eat this. Alright, so I have organic tomato sauce. I'm going to drizzle this tomato sauce in there. So the thing is, put in as much as you want. And here's your dish. If you want, you could add more spices. Or other stuff. It's up to you. So we're going to just stir this a little bit. We'll add more sauce if we have to. And then we're going to plate it. And we're done. Alright, so we got that done. You can see a little bit of the steam coming off of it. So that's your dish. It doesn't take long to make this. And we're just going to plate this and we're done. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there you have it. The Philippine dish with a few ingredients. So I know this could be made many different ways. But this is the way I was taught by a Philippine girl. And I just tasted it, so it's pretty good. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get updates each week. And love you. Be safe. See you soon. Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Peace.